Nearly 9 million Canadians received COVID-19 relief benefits last year, including the CERB. That all has to be calculated on tax returns. Plus, there are new tax benefits for people who were forced to work from home. As Mike Le Couteur reports, this tax season is a complicated one.
15 and 16, well, I got a cent, right?
Dennis Amyot hasn't filed his taxes in 5 years. Complicating things, he drew on the Canada Emergency Response Benefit in 2020, and he's trying to recoup years of unclaimed federal child benefits.
It was a little bit overwhelming sometimes. Between my girls, for my girls' sake. They were on my case to get it done.
That's why he decided to get help at this free community tax clinic. But even the pros admit this year won't be easy.
This is one of the most confusing seasons I've been a part of.
Lisa Giddings of H&R Block says the different benefits claimed by Canadians will make it more complicated, especially since the CERB wasn't taxed at the source, but other government programs like the Canada Recovery Benefit were. That's why she suggests people remember one rule.
With all of these benefits, any federal benefits received, expect to have some tax owing on your return. It was not free money.
Now, the government is allowing you to claim $2 for each day of the pandemic that you had to work from home, up to $400. Or you can claim other expenses like your phone and internet bill. Sarah Jane Martin has worked from home for years and says you need to keep all of your receipts.
I'm not a numbers person, so just having one color for monthly expenses and then another just for one-offs that pop up every once in a while.
If you have any questions, you can always call the Canada Revenue Agency, which has seen a surge in calls.
We've seen an 83% increase in call volume.
The parliamentary secretary to the revenue minister says a third-party company is helping to answer some of those basic questions while they hire 2,000 more agents. And to relieve some of the stress, CRA has an interest relief program.
If you owe money to the Canada Revenue Agency because you've collected certain benefit programs, that there'll be no penalties, no interest on those funds that you owe until April of 2022.
Now, that only applies if you've collected from a benefit program. But if you didn't and still owe money, that's due April 30th of this year. Mike Le Couteur, Global News, Ottawa.